Now on Instagram, there's a new feature called Instagram Instants. What this means is it's like an Instagram story, but with stories you can view them multiple times. With Instants, you can view it only once. It's like a disappearing message. Once you've viewed it, you can't see it again. You also can't save the photo. Another thing is, if you want to post photos or videos from your gallery as your Instagram story, you can do that. But with Instants, it's not like that. You can only take a photo from your camera. That means you have to take the photo right then if you want to share it. You can't go to your gallery and upload a photo. Anyways, in this video we'll be showing you how to use this Instagram Instants feature. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, here you can see a message button. Click on this message button. When you click on it, you should see a plus button, but in my case it's not showing because I've turned it off. If you're not able to see it, first you need to update your Instagram app. After that, click on your profile photo, and here you can see 3 lines. Click on those 3 lines. When you scroll down, you'll see an option called Content Preferences. Click on Content Preferences. When you click on that, you'll see an option called Hide Instances in Inbox. Sometimes it will be turned on. That's why the Instants feature isn't showing in your Instagram. If you want the feature, just turn this off. And another thing, if you don't want to see this Instants feature, you can turn it on. After that, you won't be able to see the feature. So keep that in mind. Anyways, I'm going back, and when I click on the message button, now I can see the plus button. If others have uploaded any Instants, you can see their photo here as well. Anyways, I'm clicking on this plus button. When you click on it, you'll reach a page like this and your camera will turn on. From here, if you want to switch the camera, click this button. If you want to turn on the flash, click this button. By default, it's sometimes set to friends. If you want everyone in your friends list to see this, you can select friends. Or you can select close friends. After that, only your close friends will be able to see it. I'm selecting close friends, but in most cases when you upload, it will be set to friends. An important thing is that before taking the photo, you need to set this, because in this Instants feature they won't ask whether to post or not. Anyways, I'm taking one photo. When you take the photo, it will be directly uploaded. Unlike other features, you won't get a post option on the next page. Anyways, that instance is uploaded. If you want to see it, click on this button here, and you can see that instance. If you think it was a mistake and you want to delete it, long press on this instance. Here you can see delete one photo. Click on that. If you want to download it, click on download. Anyways, I want to delete it, so I'm selecting delete one photo. When you click on that, the instance will be deleted. So this is how you can easily use the Instagram Instants feature. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.